Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Here are 3 cake decoration designs made with cakes bought from the store, starting with a vanilla cake covered in buttercream icing. First of all, we need to remove some of the icing to create a smooth work surface. Using a turntable for ease, we're just going to smooth out the top and the sides. Now get some white, light pink and dark pink fondant. Sprinkle on some icing sugar and roll them out like so. Then using a cookie cutter, cut out lots of little hearts. Then alternating the colours, stick the hearts onto the sides of the cake. Perfect. Now let's decorate the top. Use a cocktail stick to pop in a giant fondant heart with the logo, Be Mine. And there you have an absolutely gorgeous vanilla heart cake made with love. Now for our second design. Again taking a vanilla cake and this time sticking on some icing sugar stripes around the edge. Some long, some short. Then pipe on different coloured buttercream to create flowers. So for this you just need the correct piping nozzle, one for the flower head and one for the leaves. We're using pastel colours. And there you have it, a beautiful flower cake design. This one has a secret layer of chocolate. Now for our third and final design, again taking a vanilla cake, sticking some straws in the top to fix on another cake. So this is going to be a super tall cake design. Removing any excess icing to smooth out your work surface area. Turntable makes it easy to do. There. Now we've got some melted white chocolate which we've coloured pink. We're spreading it out on a plastic sheet, letting it set, then using a cookie cutter to cut out some hearts. Carefully remove those and decorate the cake like so, by sticking in the hearts, overlapping on the top and down the sides. Pipe on some buttercream icing for a finishing touch. And there you have it, a beautiful waterfall of hearts. So, 3 fantastic cake designs made with cakes bought from the store. Which one do you like best? Enjoy!